Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday to each and every one of you. Today is the 17th of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are my family and barbecuing and being healthy and happy and the kids stealing my phone. Your good things from yesterday are sweaters and blankets, fruit, chocolate, bacon, smoothies, cold pizza, and avocado toast. I don't remember who said bacon, but the person who said bacon described bacon as being both salty and sweet. And I thought that was very observant and true. Also here on Good Things, drawing, Roblox, and Mongolian bush tigers. Also on the attendance form yesterday, a lot of you made comments about being or not being a platypus. A lot of you mentioned a character named Percy from some cartoon I'm not familiar with. So that was interesting. I don't think I put this question in the Avid video yesterday, but I asked my core kids, what unusual thing did you notice about every video this week? And I'm kind of moving the camera up so you can see this. I've worn the same shirt all week, and nobody noticed. So, interesting. Maybe you guys are not very observant. Maybe you didn't think it was that important. But anyway, that was my kind of little joke that apparently fell flat because absolutely no one noticed. So, on Tuesday, I gave you guys an assignment. I asked you to make that slant video, right? And then Thursday, your assignment was to, continue with that, and that it was due today. So that video is due today. Remember, it's a 30-second maximum on that video. I had a couple of kids send emails asking if they had to actually be in the video, if they could do it with maybe stop motion animation or other means, and I responded to them and said that was fine. I think I put that into Thursday's video, or yesterday's video as well. But anyway, I'm going to put make it an assignment on today's Google Classroom thing I shoot out to you at 8 o'clock to turn that in. It's due today, so get that in by midnight tonight. I'll put that as the due time even. Only other thing I have to offer today is be more observant, right? I've worn the same shirt all week. And if you're not already doing it, I put a link in the assignment guide right here to participate in the whole school read aloud. Greta and Georgia earlier this week listened to chapter 1 of the one and only Ivan, and it sounded really good to me. They liked it. And you're never too old to be read to, right? I think it's a really cool experience to just kind of sit back and let your brain visualize what you're hearing. It's very relaxing. I think it's a good thing. So if you're not already doing that, please go to that link and you can hear Mrs. Lauber, Mrs. Wynn, Mrs. Smith read to you a pretty cool book. So do that. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And I will talk to you again on Monday. Turn in your videos. And I'll also post a few of those at least onto the Haiku site after I've watched them. Bye-bye.